Upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart buyers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive deep into the world of gadgets and gizmos to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic gladiators against each other in the ultimate vacuum showdown. On the left, we have the eufy RoboVac 11S Max, and on the right, the Lefant M210 Pro. Who will suck the hardest? Clean the best? Stick around to find out. Cut to a split screen with eufy on the left and Lefant on the right. Let's get this vacuum battle started. First up, let's talk about the money, honey. The eufy RoboVac 11S Max comes in at $249, while the Lefant M210 Pro is a bit cheaper at $209. So if you're looking to save some bucks for your next avocado toast, Lefant has got your back. But remember, you get what you pay for, or do you? Let's dig deeper. Next, let's talk about size and design. The eufy RoboVac is a slim 2.85 inches tall, while the Lefant M210 Pro is just a smidge taller at 2.9 inches. Both are slim enough to fit under your couch, but let's be real, neither of these is going to fit under your existential dread. Design-wise, eufy sports an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover, making it look like the Lamborghini of vacuums. Lefant, on the other hand, is more like the reliable Honda Civic, practical and efficient, but not winning any beauty contests. Now on to the main event, cleaning performance. eufy boasts 100 minutes of cleaning time on hardwood floors, delivering powerful suction with its BoostIQ technology. It's like having a tiny butler who never complains. Reviewers love its quietness and ability to fit under furniture. Meanwhile, Lefant offers 4 cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like having a tiny butler who can also plan your dinner party. Reviewers praise it for its effectiveness on pet hair and its ability to clean an entire house on one charge. Let's geek out for a moment with smart features. eufy keeps it simple with a remote control and basic obstacle avoidance tech. Lefant, however, is like the overachieving kid in class with its Lefant app and voice controls via Alexa or Google Assistant. Hey Google, make my vacuum do my taxes. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. Lefant's FreeMove 3.0 technology also gives it an edge in avoiding obstacles, which means fewer chances of finding your vacuum stuck under the coffee table, contemplating its life choices. Reviewers love Lefant's app and voice control features, though some had issues with app compatibility. Lastly, let's talk extras. eufy comes with a remote control, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, side brush, user manual, and a 12-month warranty. It's like getting an all-inclusive vacation package, minus the tropical drinks. Lefant, well, it's got the app and the voice control, which is pretty swanky if you ask me. Reviewers find both products easy to set up and effective, but wish for more advanced features in Lefant, such as map saving. Overall, reviewers praise the eufy RoboVac 11S Max for its quiet operation, efficient cleaning, and sleek design. However, it lacks some advanced features. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro is celebrated for its smart features, versatility, and effectiveness on pet hair, though some users experienced issues with app compatibility and lack of map-saving capabilities. Upbeat music playing. So who's the winner in this vacuum face-off? If you're all about sleek design and quiet operation, eufy might be your new best friend. But if you're looking for smart features and versatility at a lower price, Lefant is your go-to. Either way, both are going to do a better job than your old broomstick. Thanks for tuning into Buy Smart. Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Leave a comment below about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean, folks. End screen with subscribe button and channel logo. Music fades out.